What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showcasing you how to set a custom ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or any Samsung phone. So let's get started. To begin with, first of all, go to the setting. Here you will find out sound and vibration. Tap on that. Now tap on ringtone. Galaxy S26 Ultra has the option to select different ringtone for each SIM card. Select the SIM for this tab. At present, SIM 1 is selected. Now choose the ringtone from these preloaded tones. If you want to set a custom song as a ringtone, then tap on this plus sign. If you are using it for the very first time, then you should need to allow Sound Picker to access your media files. Here, you will find out all the media files which you can use as a ringtone. Select the tone and tap Done. Similarly, you can set a ringtone for SIM 2 by using the same method as the SIM 1. The ringtone will be set for the second SIM card. Finally, to change the notification sound on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, you need to open up your settings, sound and vibration, and tap on notification sound. Now choose the SIM you wish to assign the notification sound. From these preloaded tones, select the sound you like. Similarly, you can set notification sound for other SIM card by selecting here. Now, in order to set for the custom notification sound, you see there is no plus icon here. For that, you need to open up My File app, which is going to be available in the Samsung folder. Select the internal storage. After that, open up the folder where your music file is. Mine is right now in the download folder. Select the file by pressing on it. You will get this check mark. Tap on Copy. A menu will pop up and then select the internal storage. And from this list of folders, tap on Notifications and paste the files here to make it as your notification sound. Now go back to the settings and then sound and vibration and tap on notification sound and choose the SIM card. Here you have list of music in which you also see the music which you have added into the notification. Now select the particular music and tap on the back button to make sure it is set to the notification sound. So guys, these are the simplest methods through which you can create a custom ringtone and a custom notification sound for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series or any other Samsung phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.